welcome to the live demo of the Divorce and Family Law Chatbot Suite. Now, what we're doing is we're looking at the iPhone because so many people are using mobile, and this is probably how they'll interact with you and your website. So, if they go to your website and they see the chatbot and they want to engage because they have some questions, they click on it and they will get a message in Messenger, and this will show up on their Messenger phone. So then they will click on the message and they'll get a message which shows your header image and then says, "Hi, thanks for visiting. Please take our quick family and divorce law quiz with our new client serve chatbot so we can better serve you. Please note that this is not legal advice. At the end of the quiz, you will have an option for a free consultation with a family and divorce attorney. Is that okay with you? Yes, I'm ready, or no thanks." And what this does, it gives them the option to opt out, and which is required, and all the way through at every time they can have the option to opt out or to continue. So they click on yes, I'm ready. And now they're into the main bot, which is asking them the various questions, and this can all be customized. So, are you currently a client of ours or a new client? So it's current client, potential client, or neither. So let's just say they choose potential new client. And are either you or your spouse a resident of the state you're in this case, Florida, for at least 6 months? And this can be customized to your state. So let's just say they go yes. And then, how can we help you today? Please select your issue from the options below. And here we have a suite of options. The main areas in divorce and family law, of course, it can be other areas. So divorce, child custody, child support, spousal support, or other. And these can be all of the other options as well. So let's just say one of the main areas, they choose divorce. And then we'll get a message, sorry to hear that. Divorce is very stressful and emotional. We're here to help. What is your marital status right now? So they've got married, divorced, separated, unmarried, or other. So let's just say they are married. And are you living together or not? So let's just say they are not living together. And then the question is, how long have you been or were you married? And they have to type in the numbers. Now this is numerical. If they type in text, they will be asked to put in numerical. So let's just say they put in 8 years married. Do you have any children or dependents? So yes, minor children, or dependents over 18, or both minor and dependents, or no children at all. So let's just say they've got minor children. Okay, and then they get a message, Florida is a no-fault divorce state, which means spouses only need to tell a court that the marriage is irretrievably broken in order to get a divorce. Do you and your spouse believe that your marriage is irretrievably broken? In other words, irreconcilable differences. And they have a choice, yes, no, not sure, or they might put prefer not to say. So let's just say they go yes. Then they're asked, are you or your spouse in agreement on division of all your property, assets, or obligations and debts acquired during a marriage? So this gives them two options, yes or no. So let's just say they're not in agreement yet. And then we ask, we give them a message. Florida is an equitable distribution state, which means the courts will divide the property in a way that decides it is fair and based on a number of factors such as the duration of marriage, economic circumstances, and contribution of the spouses. This is just to give people some information to help them. This is why they're interacting with you. So at the end of that, then we say, thank you so much for taking the quiz. Based on your answers, we would like to help. Would you like a free consultation with your attorney's offices there? And you can describe your experience, and they have the option for free consultation. So until now, nothing is recorded. None of this information is recorded. They have to consent. So at this point, they're going for a free consultation, or they can opt out. So let's just say they choose free consultation. Facebook will populate their email. Otherwise, they can type it in manually themselves. So let's just say they tap email, and then thank you. Please enter a phone number where you can be reached. Again, Facebook will populate it. If not, they can manually put it in. And please enter a full name. So let's just say they put in a full name, John Doe. Now, Facebook already knows their first name and last name, but it might be different, so we ask them for their full name. And it gives them agency as well. And now we have an opportunity for them to schedule a call. So we've already got the information, but they can schedule a call, which makes it really convenient. So if they click schedule a call, this connects to Calendly, which is a free app, which you can sign up for, which syncs your own calendar to this Calendly app, so that it shows all the time that you're available, the dates you're available, and the hours you're available. So then there's no need for back and forth. So then they can choose the time that they want. So let's just say they choose the 16th and they choose 11 a.m. Then they press confirm, and they'll have to enter some basic details, their name and email, and then they'll schedule the event. And that is now confirmed. And they just get a thank you message, but at the same time, you've just got an email message and a message in Messenger stating that you've got a new client and you know what it's all about, and you've got all this data in real time. And of course, this is all customizable. And again, there's no legal advice given until they opt in to set up a free consultation with you. So I hope this has been helpful. And if you're a divorce lawyer looking to save time and to stop doing repetitive questions so that you can get more clients, this is a great option for you. You can schedule a call with me, and I'll be happy to tell you more about it on our website at clientserve.app. Thank you.